The 800-watt electric folding treadmill by Go Plus Fitness. Get fit in the convenience of your own living room. This machine offers a durable steel frame with ergonomic design. With Go Plus Fitness easy operation, simply step up, press start, and you're on your way to a healthier you. The multifunctional LCD computer tracks time, speed, distance, and calories burned. This treadmill features 12 workout programs. The ergonomic EKG grips make it easy to keep track of your heart rate. Handrails also offer speed and start and stop. This treadmill offers a weight capacity of 220 pounds with a speed range of 0 to 6.5 miles per hour. Once your workout has hit the finish line, simply fold and tuck your machine away with the Easy Lift Assist system. Built-in rollers help with portability. Get fit with the 800-watt electric folding treadmill by Go Plus Fitness.